Hi, I'm Nicola and I'm at the Grace Retreat, and I'm going to talk to you and show you the Intensive Moisture Balance by Dermalogica. This is really quite a heavy moisturiser, so it's for a really quite dehydrated, drier skin, older skin, kind of a thicker skin. How I apply it is I apply it to the back of my hand first, and then I dab my finger in, apply it to where I need to, and then I massage it in. Don't forget neck and chest area. The reason I do that is a lot of people apply it to the tips of their fingers and then they go straight away there. That's our oilier area anyway, but also then you're having difficulty spreading it around the skin. This is the best way of making sure you're getting moisturiser everywhere. And then you massage each bit in. So, forehead, cheeks. This is a really nice evening moisturiser. Because it's a little bit heavier, it's really nice to use in the evening. But as I say, if you're dry skin, your skin's going to love this in the day as well. So massaging, as you can see, it's leaving me nice and hydrated and glossy. Do not forget neck and chest area. This is going to really hydrate and moisturise your skin. This does not contain an SPF. So if you're using this as a morning cream, you need to make sure that you're wearing and applying an SPF over the top. Everyone needs a sun protection and a moisturiser every day, all year round, just to help prevent premature aging, pigmentation, scarring, things like that. And also cancer, skin cancer. So apply, massage in. Once you feel like it's all soaked in, as you can see, really hydrated. This is the Intensive Moisture Balance from Dermalogica. There'll be more information below, so check that out. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.